Every skyline tells a story of dreams envisioned, of ambition sculpted into glass and steel. And now, at the crossroads of vision and opportunity, a new story begins. Welcome to the Southern Peripheral Road, the pulse of Gurugram's future, where roads converge and possibilities rise, where infrastructure transforms into inspiration, where a city begins to look like the world's greatest, where Gurugram begins to look like Dubai. Presenting Cloverdale SPR, Sector 71, Gurugram, a rare expression of elevated living, a landmark born from legacy and shaped by ambition. Strategically located at the intersection of Golf Course Road, NH48, Dwarka Expressway, DMIC and Sona Road, Cloverdale SPR connects you to the city's most vital corridors. PepsiCo, American Express, Deloitte, BMW, global headquarters within your reach. The proposed metro, the Delhi RRTS, the futuristic heliport, and even the largest jungle safari in India, all just minutes away. This is more than proximity. It's power, it's perspective, it's Gurugram's new gravitational center. Signature Global doesn't follow a blueprint. It builds from boldness. With around 100 acres of prime SPR land, we are reshaping the very definition of luxury ecosystems. We've already set the benchmark with the first phase, a towering success in the heart of this very corridor. Now, the skyline grows even taller with Cloverdale. Cloverdale is the only project in the country with IGBC Platinum and EDGE Advanced certification. The residents here are going to enjoy multiple clubhouses with indoor, outdoor activities, pools including lagoon pools, lap pools, heated pools, and much more amenities. The Cloverdale is inspired by the four-leaf clover. It is built on four foundational promises: location, luxury, ecosystem, legacy. "10 minutes from Golf Course Road, 15 from Cyber Hub, 30 to IGI Airport. Cloverdale sits at the epicenter of everything. Step inside and luxury reveals itself in layers. A grand entrance boulevard, waterfall curtain drop-offs, iconic design elements that whisper sophistication. In the grand iconic tower, G plus 35 floors of privacy, prominence and panoramic living. 2 residences per floor. 4 BHK plus utility homes with endless skyline views. Every ceiling rises to 11.5 feet. Every balcony opens to the sky. Every detail leaves a signature. An address within an address. Nature breathes through Miyawaki forests, pet gardens, biophilic design, outdoor libraries, jogging trails, wellness zones with cricket pitches, badminton courts, yoga lawns, and much more. This isn't just a residence. It's an entire ecosystem. Premium homes, upscale retail, boutique office spaces, social gardens, celebration lawns. This is life without compromise. Cloverdale SPR is not just built alone. It is shaped by brilliance from across the globe. DP Consultants of Singapore, creators of Dubai Mall. MPFP from New York, creators of the iconic Yards Park. Wintech, Aeon, Senelac, Confluence, Structural Sustainability and MEP pioneers. Capacity, India's premium execution force. This is what happens when the world's finest minds meet India's most ambitious vision. The skyline is changing. The city is rising. Construction has already begun. Cloverdale SPR, at the crossroads of connectivity and legacy, where ambition becomes architecture. where every detail leaves a signature.